Unlock the secret to bringing your video clips to life with dynamic motion in Capcut PC by mastering the art of keyframes. First, open Capcut on your PC and import your video clip, drag, and drop it onto your timeline now. Let's focus on animating a property. Say, the scale of our clip. Select your video clip on the timeline. In the Inspector panel on the right, make sure you're in the Basic tab here. You'll see various properties like scale, position, and rotation. To add your first keyframe, locate the Scale property and click the small diamond-shaped icon right next to it. This adds a keyframe at your current playhead position, marking the starting point of your animation. Now, move your playhead to a different point on the timeline where you want the scale to change. This could be a few seconds later, or anywhere you want the animation to progress to. With the playhead at the new position, simply adjust the scale value as you move the slider. Capcut automatically adds another keyframe at your current playhead position, capturing this new scale value. You'll see a second diamond appear on the timeline, indicating that you've set a keyframe for the scale at this new point. Capcut will then create a smooth transition between these two scale values over time. Now, play back your timeline. Watch as your video clip smoothly scales from its initial size to the size you set at the second keyframe. This is the magic of keyframes in action. You can apply this same process to animate other properties like position, rotation, opacity, and even effects attributes. Simply move your playhead, adjust the property, and Capcut will create the keyframe for you. By strategically placing multiple keyframes along your timeline, you can create complex and engaging animations, making your videos far more dynamic and professional. Experiment with different properties and durations to discover endless creative possibilities.